Hello, as an experienced realtor, I've learned that the best ways to get clients these days is from referrals, whether they're past clients, friends of clients, co-workers, or whatever the case may be. Hello, I'm Paul Tommey with RE/MAX Executive Group. I'm a licensed realtor in Georgia and Alabama, near Fort Benning, Columbus, Georgia, Phenix City, Auburn, Opelika. Whether they're formal buyers or sellers or they're existing clients, they've learned firsthand about the service that I can provide them, whether they're buying or selling. But this is mainly focusing toward the seller side. Today's buyers and sellers are very busy. Oftentimes both family members, the husband and wife, may be working, and so it takes that to bring home the bacon to have the lifestyle which they like. Also, many of the military families are all around the world. They may have property here that they've kept as rental property, or they PCS around the world, and they have to have somebody they know and trust to either property management their property while they're gone, or to prepare to sell and get it off their back. So here's what I have to offer as a full service concierge. I have a wide range of capabilities, of resources and people that I can use, and I can help coordinate and schedule a pre-sale inspection. This pre-sale inspection is really important to uncover any code violations or latent defects that are in the property, and that way we can identify them and get them repaired, or at least get estimates on those beforehand. I can also help you coordinate and schedule vendors for bids. You make the final decision about which vendors or which items you choose to repair, but I'll do all the legwork for you and do all the facilitating and coordination for you. We'll review the bids with you, and you select the appropriate bidders to the trade you want to have repaired or the upgrade that you want to take place. We'll develop a timeline and a game plan. I'll be in your corner. We'll be on the same team. We'll develop a timeline to get this house ready to sell in a few weeks or a couple months, whatever the timeline that you prefer. We can bring in home stagers. We can bring in punch list vendors. We can bring in people for tree service, HVAC service, roofing companies, moving companies, a whole line of people. We can bring in charity organizations to haul off your unwanted items or take it to Goodwill or repurpose it. Once we get these vendors selected, I'll help keep them accountable and make sure you get exactly what you're paying for to get your house ready to sell. Selling your house can be painless. It can be really easy. I do this every day. I'm a great negotiator. I can help you get top dollar for your property, and I look forward to it. But what I can do, give me a call and I'll do some research about your property, get some past sold properties, or comps as they say, in your neighborhood or your part of town. We'll sit down over a cup of coffee and discuss your actual needs for you and your family and develop a timeline if this is a service you'd like to do. I charge no additional cost for this. I just get the opportunity to list and sell your house. I'll make my money on the back end, but I'll help you facilitate this. Whether you live by yourself, if you're older, or a single mom, or whatever the case may be, it doesn't matter. If you don't have time, I can facilitate, coordinate this as a full service concierge. So call Paul Tommey at 706-507-1899 at my office, RE/MAX Executive Group, or call me on my cell phone at 762-822-6411. And I look forward to hearing from you. Look at my seller videos on YouTube, or go to my website at housetohomerealestate.com. Thank you.